Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a Peppa Pig with a rainbow. Let's start drawing. I start with Peppa Pig's eyes. Then I draw her nose. And I draw the shape of her head. I draw her ears and a big smile and a circle for her cheek. And I draw her body. And I draw her arms and legs. Finally, I draw her cute tail. Awesome! Now I'm going to draw a rainbow. I draw lines like heart circle. I'm going to divide these shapes into 6 parts like this. She looks so happy. She's standing in front of a rainbow. Great job! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint pink. I use pink color for Peppa Pig's skin. Light pink for her cheek. I use red color for her dress. I'm going to paint a rainbow. For the first straight, I use red. Orange. This looks amazing. Yellow. Green.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell.
Blue.
Hi-ho the dell.
Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
The farmer takes the wife.
For the last, I use purple.
The farmer takes the wife.
It looks so amazing.
The child.
See you on the next video.